Hey everyone, this is Alpaco, and after sitting and thinking things through, I have officially pre-ordered the OM-1 over the GH6. Now the GH6 is a perfect cinema making machine, and that's the problem I have with it. I'm not a high-level filmmaker. I'm not a high-level commercial video shooter. Videos I shoot are just these and a few local businesses' videos. The most complex things I'll ever shoot are narrative short films, and for that I could really shoot with anything. There's no real format that I have to follow. And they're so amateur that it doesn't really matter, like as long as we can get it done. What is important for me though, is speed with photos. I made a video about why I sold the OM-1 Mark III, and there I state I will not use the advanced features it has. I'm even stated that I don't use all the advanced features the Mark II has. And that's all still true. I don't use this camera to its max potential. I will still recommend this camera to most people 9% of the time. So why do I view the OM-1, as a worthwhile upgrade? Because it does everything this does faster. And that can potentially help my workload. The difference between the Mark II and the Mark III in terms of speed is nothing. On top of that, I can save extra space in my camera bag by getting rid of another body, my GH6. This camera it was my dream filmmaking camera, and I have Drew to thank for selling this camera to me. But after using it for the last 6 months, it turns out I don't really need all the video features. I thought I needed super high bit rates. I thought I needed shutter angle, waveforms. I thought I needed really good low light, but I don't use any of those things. Not at all. In fact, the only thing I use is HEVC and HLG. And that's because I love the small files, and HLG is a really easy profile to grade. I originally planned to do more commercial video work, and the GH6 would have been a perfect tool for that, but plans change. This is where the OM-1 fits well for my needs. The features I use frequently, as in features I use pretty much every month, involve live composite, high resolution mode, and a gray burst mode with a fairly responsive AF. The OM-1 does all of these much better than the Mark II. And now it has 10-bit HEVC and HLG, which now takes everything I use for both of these cameras and puts them all in one body. Then you have the added fun factor of having animal detect autofocus. Trying to catch photos of a black cat in low light is nearly impossible for the Mark II. The AF in the OM-1 is insane, and I'm extremely excited to get my hands on it. The GH6 and the OM-1 are fantastic new cameras, but realistically, every new camera is a fantastic new camera. Every camera that has come out in the last 7 to 10 years are very good. Just find the one that you will use. I have a particular set of standards for a camera, and so far, only Olympus OM cameras have met all of those requirements. I'm not against any camera manufacturer or sensor size, believe me. It has nothing to do with that. These cameras just feel so good to me. I think that's the reason why I don't actually like using the GH6. It doesn't feel good in my hands. It feels awkward to hold. I simply just don't like it. The last Panasonic I liked was the G85. I haven't held an S5, but I've seen that it's smaller than GH5, so that is interesting to me. It also has high res mode and it has live composite, but it has a really slow burst rate. There's no perfect camera, just the one that suits you. Thanks for hanging out with me, listening to me justify buying a new camera. It's no guarantee I'll keep it. If the new body feels off, if the AF isn't better, or if the speed doesn't really benefit me in a major way, then I'm not going to keep it. I'll share my findings with you, and if I like it, then I'll probably keep that camera for 6 years. I don't like trying to find cameras. I like using cameras and really getting to know them. I just want the one that works with me, and I tend to keep things for a very long time. As long as I enjoy it, then I'm going to have it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. These are good.